Yes. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I am doing a Marshalls haul, as you've seen in the title, mostly maxi dresses, and I'm so excited that I found maxi dresses because I have a hard time finding maxi dresses, especially maxi dresses that fit me. I also found a few other things other than clothing items that I will be showing at the end of the video. The clearance event going on, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and Ross, I believe. If you like it, thumbs it up, and don't be shy, say hi down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell for notifications so you won't miss any of my future uploads. And make sure you check back on my channel frequently because YouTube don't always send notifications out. So let's get to it. Never mind my hair, it is a hot mess. My hair is coming all out of these twists. I just did these like a week and a half ago, and it's already time for them to come out. Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross, we're doing their big clearance event, and so I didn't really know about it. I just happened to go in there. So today I'm going to show you a collective haul of what I got from both Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So let's get on with this video. I got these hippie rose pants here. I like that they are high-waisted and they have the buttons that go up the middle of the waist area. And it kind of like if you have like a little tummy or fupa. All my mommies out there, you know about that. You know what I'm talking about. It hides it a little bit for you. It has this thick elastic waistband here, and it scrunches up, so I really like that. And they flare out at the bottom. I like a wide pant leg. This white blouse here, it has the folded sleeve, like the cuff folded sleeve, and then it has a collar, brown tannish buttons down the center of the shirt. Here it is, and it has that uneven, like a crop in the front, and then in the back it covers the bootay. This was $12.99, and it's by Sim and Sam. It's purple Ralph Lauren polo. You never go wrong with a Ralph Lauren polo top. It's a basic tee to me, to have something to throw on with a pair of jeans or some shorts or something. It was $14.99, and all of these things I'm showing you first were from Marshalls. It's this sweater. I really like this sweater. It's a tie-dye pink and white sweater, and the color is not showing it how I see it. It's not showing how it looks in person. For some reason this camera just does not do it justice, but it's not red, it is a fuchsia pink. It has the sleeves kind of crouch down here under the arm. Yes? Come say hi. Sardinia's looking for Lucinda, her doll Lucinda. All of them have names, and she remember all of their names.
Hello, my name is Mia.
Mia?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Hello, guys.
We're in the process of taking out her braids so I can redo her hair. Not in braids. I'm probably gonna get the braids a break and give her ponytails. You got food on your mouth, crumbs. Go. Bye. This is a winter / spring summer haul because I found things for all three. And even fall. These are just year-round clothes depending on what the weather is like in your area. And in my area, Orlando, Florida, it is hot here. Right now, our lows was like 50-some degrees this morning when we woke up, but it's just so bipolar, you just never know. So also I picked this up, B.U.B. by B.U.B. Free Bebop. It is so flattering on the body. I used to call those pants back in the day in school. I used to call them flooding. I guess they flood a little bit, but you know, flooding is a look now. It's a whole vibe, and it has pockets on either side. This was only $16.99. So I really like this piece here. It's really cute and elegant and just classy. And staying in lines of jumpsuit, here's another one, but this one flows and goes all the way down to the leg, to the ankle. And this one was $19.99. If I don't say the price, I will put it on the screen somewhere. This was not clearance, this was regular price. None of the pieces that I got from Marshalls for myself were on clearance. They were all regular price, and it was fine because they were cheap. They were not expensive at all. A bell the label. This is a very long maxi dress. I got so many maxi dresses, and I was so excited about the maxi dresses because I've always like maxi dresses. I just like the way they flow, and these dresses are very flowy towards the bottom. It clings to the top and then it blows out towards the bottom. And this one is by that same company, Abel the Rebel. I'm sorry, Abel the Label. It has tassels on it. This one here has a tie string that you can make it tighter or make it looser in the front, and it has a lot of material and it flows and hangs as well. Japna, hope I'm saying that right, but it is an orange color. It's orange. It's not showing up the true color on camera, but it is a peachy orange flowy maxi dress. And this one here is by Patrons of Peace, and it was $24.99, and it's very long and it's off the shoulder. Yes, can somebody say shimmy? Very nice and long and flowy, and I like the colors. It can go year round, it doesn't matter. And this jacket is my last piece that I got for myself from Marshalls, and it's so nice. It's all polyester, it's not leather. Okay, yeah, whatever, but it's very nice and warm and cozy. It has this inside piece that you can zip off and take it off and to detach the hoodie and just wear it with just the polyester. I was gonna say leather piece, but really nice. It has pockets, zipper pockets on either side, here and here. They don't open up, it's just there for look, aesthetic. And two pockets here that you can put something in on both sides, and it's just so nice, but it's very warm and cozy. And these are my 3 pieces that I got from TJ Maxx. Now, all the items that I got from TJ Maxx were on clearance. I actually had one other one, but I ended up taking that one back. This one is off the shoulder as well. Original price $24.99 and clearance for $20. Abel the Label, the same brand as the other dresses that I got from Marshalls. I also got this one. This one is by Band of Gypsies. Deja really liked this one. This piece here, nice color. The color is not red. It may be showing up really red on camera, but it's like a deep burgundy red, and it was originally $19.99. I picked it up for $15, and it has the 2 string ropes here. You can tie it in the front. This last piece here is very cute. It ties in the back right here. This was in $19.99. I picked it up for $16. It's by One Clothing, and it's like a jumper romper. And I really like this, very flattering. Okay, this was $12.99. This one was the only one that I got her that was not on clearance. I just got it because it says Girls Out of Future, but I got it because it has the legging pants to go with it and the little tutu skirt. And she like really likes tutu skirts, so I got this. It's not showing the, let me take this camera, this lighting off of it, see if it, okay, here we go. Well, the color is more of a dark navy color than what is showing on the camera, but I got that for Sardinia. Picked that up for her, and this was on clearance for $13. It was originally $16.99. So cute. Mini, the little jacket with the mini ears here, the mini bow and the mini ears, hood, and the little leggings, the little mini. And I got her this polo, Ralph Lauren polo little shirt here. I thought it was so cute. It was $12.99, clearance for $10. Let me show you my candles that I got. Okay, here are the candles that I picked up off of from the clearance section. That's all that I was looking for. That's all I said I was gonna buy, because the first 2 Marshalls I went to, they didn't have any clearance ones, but I think it was the 3rd one I ended up going to over by the Florida Mall here in Orlando. But I was looking specifically for this one, the Eco Wicks, because our nurse Debbie Ann told me about this one. And look, it has the wood stick there. It says hear the difference, but it's a more eco-friendly, or just a friendlier candle to burn in your home. You want to look for either like beeswax or coconut wax or something like that. I try to stay away from the soy. This one here was $7.99, was marked down to $4. It is DW Home Botox Fig. And this one is most likely probably not one that I would buy on a regular, because I do try to keep it as natural as possible, and I don't think that this one is. It smells really good and the color is pretty, but this one may have more stuff in it that I probably wouldn't otherwise want, like fragrance. I'm looking more for like eco type stuff, and like this one made with essential oils. This one's sand and fog and pumpkin latte, and it's made with essential oils. This one originally was $7.99. This one is wood wick. So this is like some type of new innovation, the wick, how the wick is designed. And it says it burns better, and it has faster fragrance and a soothing crackle. Oh, I can't wait to burn these up, light these up. So this one is Joyful Gatherings Moments, and it smells good too. Okay, these two here, I just got these only because they were clearance. And this one is Spice Noir with black nutmeg, cedar, cardamom, and musk. Smells really good. And this one is Yuletide Cheer with tart cranberry, nutmeg, spicy cinnamon. And these vintage calendars are originally $9.99, but I got it for $5. Gonna be looking more for ones like this. So these are ones that like I would stick with, the more natural ones. I just didn't have a time, because if I would have spent the time in there trying to, you know, sniff through and sort through all the different ones they had at that third Marshalls over by the Florida Mall, I would have been there way longer than I was, and I had to get home because it was last Sunday that I went. If you've been watching my channel and you watch my vlogs, then you've seen that blog. If you haven't, I'll link it in the cards right here. Thanks for watching this video again, and that is it for today's video. Lord said the same. You'll see me in the next one.
Hey, look at my channel.